And over in East Central St. Catherine, the People's National Party, PNP, continued to throw darts at the Holness administration as it endorsed its candidate for the constituency, Dr. Winston De La Haye. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has that story.
To welcome Comrade Dr. Winston De La Haye!
A grand entrance, fittingly so for the man of the moment. Dr. De La Haye, officially endorsed by the executive of the People's National Party in Portmore, St. Catherine on Sunday, as he gets set to challenge this man, Alando Terlong, who is a member of parliament for the constituency. First up, Dr. De La Haye himself.
But comrades, we're not ungrateful. So here I go. When we take the seat, we'll make him go and sit down on the box here.
The endorsements poured in.
The little fake Rasta man way over here. Where all me hear him talk about is toxic masculinity. Me ask him what that.
St. Catherine East Central is the only seat in Portmore that's held by the Jamaica Labour Party. The municipality has been dominated by the PNP for over 35 years.
We had a little slip before, and there's a little gap to fill. And we have the right man.
When Philip Paul will call me and say, we have something, we're going to shot them with De La Haye. I say, well, since him study psychiatry, he's the right man for mad them.
And there couldn't be a political meeting without sounding the corruption trumpet, this time by party leader Dr. Peter Phillips.
Now all of a sudden the Prime Minister that was bawling say, minister shouldn't come into the House of Parliament because of corruption. Now him say corruption is a part of our culture. It's a societal problem. Nonsense. It is a part of the governance structure of the Jamaica Labour Party government.
From the party to its leader. According to Dr. Campbell, its full-time Prime Minister Andrew Holness pay more attention to the issues plaguing the country instead of...
Andrew, murder gone upon your watch. Look for me new clocks. Andrew, people are suffer. Look for me new clocks. Andrew, man a kill off their baby mother. Look for me new clocks. Andrew, me road bad. Look for me new clocks. Andrew, people are get deregistered up on your way. Look for me new clocks. We need leadership that is meaningful in this country. God bless you.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.